Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's West from WESTVISION Gaming, but today we are doing a tutorial on thumbnails and more specifically on how to make the photograph pop with the border around it. I've been getting a lot of people asking me how do I do it, how do you make your thumbnails look like that, and it's time we got an answer from that. So guys, I'm going to show you from start the apps that you need to use in order to be able to do this, and we will begin. We've got 3 apps in the middle of the screen there: Phonto, PicsArt and doodle, and you really only need PicsArt and doodle to be able to do the photograph and the border as well. So we start with PicsArt with the photograph that we're going to use for this particular video anyway. What we do is we grab the photograph that's going to use. We're going to use that particular one now, and what we need to do is get rid of the background. Okay, sorry about the photograph, but anyway, moving on. Cut out, bottom right hand corner, click on the scissors, and it's as easy as this. Person, it's all you need to press down there on the left, and that will get rid of the background, and save that at the top. And it's as straightforward as that, just to be able to get the particular photograph that you want to doodle around. Okay, so we press next in the top right hand corner, save, download photo, so it saves the picture to your device as normal. Press done, come out of that, and then over to doodle. There's the photograph. So we want to import. I'm going to do it from scratch. That was from before, so I'm just going to show you. I'll show you the finish. We're just going to show you exactly how you go about doing it. Camera roll, and we're going to pick out the photograph that we just done, and we press done there, and there's the photograph from scratch again. And we need to start in a corner and follow it around. Now the most important thing, you go down to brush, and you will see you've got all your color choices. I tend to use white for the thumbnails. On the occasion I use yellow, depending on what I want to do. But most importantly, down in the bottom there, line mode should be ticked. You don't want to be smoothing the edges round and round. It takes forever and it's just not worth it. You can still make it pop and fire just by clicking on the line mode, and I'll show you how that works. Size in between 5 and 10. I'll leave it as it is. That will show you a border around the edge of the photograph that's just about the right thickness. Zoom in to the area you want to start. So we're going to start over by the t-shirt. Now sometimes this doesn't work, so you have to get it right. Oh, we got it right first time. So I've started a line now, and we just go up and across because it's a bit of a dodgy. Now I'm going to meet this here. See how it takes it straight up to the edge where you need to go, and it's as simple as that, guys. Now if you don't like a line that you've put in there, then the little arrow on the top left will take it back, and then you can put it in again like so, and follow it round how you want it to look until you are happy with your outcome. You can zoom in closer to get those little hard parts there. If you're not happy with that, again go back and then just meet it at the ear there, all the way round. Okay, and that's how you do it until you come up with the finished article. When you do and you've done the whole lot, you press file, and it's as easy as this, guys. Save to your camera roll, just as easy as that. And then when you go on to Phonto to create your thumbnail, to make it pop like the ones that I did, you can select yourself a plain image just for now, just to show you. You can put any background in. As you can see, all of these backgrounds and that, we're just going to go with a color that's going to allow it to pop. So we'll bung in a yellow, and then what we'll do is we'll click on custom, and we'll just put it down as 1920 by 1080, so you get the perfect thumbnail for YouTube, which is where I do it all, obviously. So now we've got the yellow background, we need to use and save that just like that. And all you would do then is click on the little lines at the bottom left hand corner there, add your image and your photograph, that's the one. And as you can see, you can then size it move it around, size it, move it into a position that you want it to go in, and you can go anywhere you like. You can just do it there. If you want to just put yourself in there, you can add as many texts and images that you want, so you can have your font. I always use Luckiest Guy, and we'll just type in thumbnail for fun, like that, and then you can size how you want it. I like to tilt my stuff to make it pop like that, and you can change the colors and stuff like that, changing the color. Anyway, you get the gist of how it works, guys. That is the most simplest way to be able to get a border around your photographs and to be able to get it to pop just like this from a video that I had before. So there you go, guys. That is how you create a thumbnail and how you create a border around your photograph to make it pop. Guys, I hope that helps you, and I hope to see some great thumbnails. If you've got any that you've done from this particular tutorial, stick them in the comments below. I'd love to see what they're like. Always tune into my videos, you know, the gaming side of things, Twitch as well, for live streams. Thank you so much for watching the video, and we'll see you again on the next one. Peace. Well, I'm no one's fool.